Yes, you are right. It's not clickbait. We are wrapping a G-Wagon. We have a G-Wagon. I'm looking forward to this one. I don't know why. It's massive, massive. PWF, Bond Gold exterior colour change. We are keeping the bumpers, the arches, so basically the kit is all staying gloss black. We've got to tint the front windows to the legal limit, obviously. Alloy wheel refurbishment, they're going black, but Ryan loves a curb by the looks of it, so that's all going to be sorted out. Caliper paint, so the calipers have got to be stripped off and sent to the paint shop. We don't paint calipers on the car. I think that's it. Oh, and a ceramic coat. Haven't decided if I'm using Angel Wax or Geon yet. I think we're going to go with the Geon brand because it's easier to remove than Angel Wax. And I'm running out of microfibers. Okay, so we need to take the wheels off, we need to take the calipers off, and his G-Man whip needs to come apart. It's got spacers on it, John. I didn't put the latex on this morning. I have dirty skin. Here we go. What's this? This is a useful tool.
Brake pipe clamp.
Brake pipe clamp. Screw onto brake hose. Don't put them on flexi hoses because you'll crimp it and crush it, and that'll be the end of that. Rubber ones only. Oh, it's spinning on the inside. Building the arc.
You know, a ratchet.
I've heard of power tools, but I wanted to use my spanner. Speed and power. Oh, look at that. One brake caliper. Mate, these are some big bolts. I think we're going to need a bigger dugger. Here we go. Oh no, it's all falling over. One bolt, two bolts. No brake fluid because we clamped the hose. Oh no, John. I must have used these on every set of calipers. There's a saying for something like that, isn't there?
Dick in a bucket.
If the screw doesn't fit, get the box of goodies out. Just looking at my organisation. So we've just YouTubed how to remove this. It's always easier just to ask someone else if you don't know. Apparently, you literally pop one. Oh, it does actually work. Oh, he literally just pulled it out. Pop two. Oh, it does work like that. Well, there you go. Nice and easy. Now you know how to take the light out of a G-Wagon. Oh no! Oh yeah. What's wrong with just a screw? Oh, mate. They're going in the bottom of the door. I've left it in there a little bit. One thread. Oh yeah. Oh, it's like surgery. It's just going to fall on the floor. Oh yeah. Right, don't drop the mirror. Oh. It's just stuck on. No. Yes. All the thick stuff, isn't it? How much further do you think we need to go? Well, there you go. She's out. Oh. That one's glued on. All stripped. I know you're impressed. It was done in 30 seconds. Now we've got to clean it. So, caramel wheel. They're actually really good. You just have to polish after using them. But we're just using it to get the double-sided tape off all the way along the side. And then we can isopropanol. We then have to put a lacquer sealant on for the PWF.
Go!
Go! tar and glue. Everything's stripped off. Tar and glue, isopropyl, lacquer sealant. Then we can start wrapping. We just have to prep. Everything's got to be immaculate before you start wrapping. This is just tar and glue remover. You're going to spray everything to get any tar off. Unfortunately, prep before we can wrap. Cleaned, clay barred, ISO'd, prepped, glue removed, every other chemical you can spray on it, that's done. Because the kit and the bumpers are staying black, we need to machine polish them before the wrap goes on, because I don't want to catch the polisher on the new wrap. We're going to polish this arch and that arch just to get all of the light swirls out of them, get them ready so that once the wrap's on we can then just ceramic it. There is also a mark on the back which we need to machine polish out as well, so we're going to do that now. So that you've just seen is chemical burn from a car wash or car park detailer, and it's basically the chemical that hasn't been washed off, and that's what it can do to your paint. Chemical burn all gone.
ISO.
Yeah, so I'm just removing the polish or the lacquer sealant from the edge of the panel so that we know we get good stickage. That's a new word for you. I reckon we are good to put some material on the car. About time. So I have something that's going to cause uproar. Is it right or is it not right? Let us know in the comments after you've subscribed. Remember, it's free. Come and have a look at this. We're going to wrap the wings separately, and the side, we would normally wrap each panel in one piece. So you'd wrap a door, and you'd wrap a wing, and so on and so on. But because this frame all the way around the edge is very skinny, top and bottom, and also because the door shuts, the gap, the seal line on this car is massive, and it's black, which is the main reason. I think we can get away with wrapping the whole side in one hit and then cut in the lines. Some people are going to say, oh, I cannot believe you're not doing each individual panel. But because the gaps are so big in each panel, you're going to get enough material to get a return on everything. That's what I'm going to do. Let us know in the comments if you don't like it. Take measure. It's a bendy one. Why is it bendy?
Really?
So you can go around corners. 1.4, 700. Okay, here it is. Bond gold. Look at the colour. Yeah. Put my knife down somewhere. Wing done. Side panel ready to go, but we're out of time. That's the end of that. If you like this one, give us a thumbs up, give us a comment, give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one where we will be continuing the G-Wagon.